I'm Charlotte Church. I love to come and walk in the woods, but it's also been made into a sort of fuller practice now, which is called forest bathing, or in its original Japanese, shirin-yoku. So my tips, I suppose, for forest bathing, firstly, slow down. And then that in turn can help you pay attention, which is my second tip. We're training our brains towards distraction. So to really pay attention whilst you're in the forest, you start noticing the shape of leaves, you start noticing if there's little eggs on blades of grass, which brings me on to my third point, which is senses. When you're in the forest, just to be really sensual, smelling things, touching things. My fourth is, where possible, go barefoot. It's really, really good for us as humans, not just for like our mobility, but also in terms of like grounding, like there are minerals and there's a magnetization to the earth. And lastly, one of the best ways to connect with nature is to sing. If you're feeling like you can and you feel comfortable, then I would very much recommend just singing anything. If you can just sort of walk around singing to the land, then the land will thank you in return. We are currently in the forest in the Dreaming, which is a retreat centre that I've set up in the heart of Wales.